This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Volvo ES90 Twin Motor Performance Ultra. Okay. It's kind of busy now. Just check whatever is possible. Okay, regular charge port on the left side with the right side, on the right side with the wrong side. Interesting rear design. Tail light design. Instead of that strip that most people go for, Volvo, they go for this. Okay, and then here, oh, there is sprayer for the backup camera. It has a Volvo styling on it. But here, quite deep trunk, I like it. Also light in both sides, so it's nice and illuminated. And 12-volt outlet here, and you can also lower the back. Not sure why it's not working now, but okay. Let me check out here. We have okay space there. Sorry for my filming. I have a toddler here who wants to hold on to me right now. Isabel, let's go inside the car. Oh, yeah, I recognize this from the EX90 also. So just the sedan version, we have this type of button for controlling the seats. And then you go inside. 650 kilometers range. Really? Okay, well, we cannot close the door right now. So it has still the vertical screen. I feel like the horizontal screen is better. That's what most car manufacturers go for nowadays. Wait, do we have space behind here? Yes. But how do you access stuff in the back there? Okay, there's... Yeah, you can scroll it. See, even a child can do that. Real diamonds. Okay, we have a cup holder here.
You can push that one.
Oh, okay. So that is for now it's diffuse, and then if you press it again, it will be transparent. Oh, nice, and it's instant also. And you have breadcrumb collector, yeah, in the front also. And then here we have space. Okay, looks nice. Bowers & Wilkins seems like head-up display doesn't seem to be that big. Also, we have instrument cluster there. Wow, it seems now there's more and more cars that have a front. Here also, I mean, it's kind of shallow, but it can fit Type 2 cables, maybe some backpacks here. And then let me see here. But this is weird. Huh? The washer fluid is here. Any Norwegians know that if you have a big jug of washer fluid, how are you going to put here unless you use the bag type, right? So that's kind of weird. It would be better if it was here or here. And then here you have LiDAR, also the same as the EX90. So you have that little hump in the top there. Yeah. In the back seat. Wait, it's not that easy to, What? To reach the ISOFIX. Trying to fist and find. Dude, is this a pre-production? I can't find the ISOFIX hooks. This is really weird. Okay, they're on now. It's better. Say hi, say hi. Watch out. So you have the table here. You have cup holder there, and then also ski opening there. Big ski opener there. Great. Then you put it up again. Seat is kind of flat-ish. Hey, what the heck is going on in the front there? See, it seems to be some kind of animation. Well, okay headroom, and it feels nice. It feels very premium. It's probably a very expensive car, you know? Over 80,000 euros. And here we have controls for HVAC and seat cooling and ventilation. So if you guys feel annoyed by the kid running around, all that stuff, this is the only way to do it. If I don't bring her, then there's no trip. So just bear with me, okay?